What's up, guys? Charles with KnottHead Custom Sewing. Hey, I get a lot of questions asked about the WoodMizer LX250 and smaller logs. Why would you want to cut a smaller log on a WoodMizer LX250? Well, because it's what you got, or it's what they brought in. A lot of times if we don't have the other mill set up, or we have the other mill on another job site, we use this one to cut smaller logs, and it works just fine. You just have to set it upright and make sure your log's held down good, and there's no reason why you can't cut a small log on the LX250. Sure, it has a 56-inch or a 55-inch wide throat on it, but there's no reason why you can't cut a log that's only 30 inches in diameter, such as this one. This one's not very big, it's only 6 feet long, but we're going to use the 250 to cut it because it works just fine. Works really good, actually.
Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel, everyone.
So in this video, we're just going to go through like what we do to cut smaller logs. It's a little bit different than cutting big ones. We don't even use the clamps that are provided on the mill bed. We don't use the backstops either. We just wedge the log down, kind of similar to how we do with our Lucas mill when we're cutting big slabs with the Lucas. So it's not real difficult. It's pretty easy, actually. Check out the way that we do it. It's not very big. This one's only about 6 feet long. Now you can see here that all we've done is put a wedge in on each side. The log should be heavy enough to hold itself there in place. So all we have to do is put some wedges in to keep it from rocking, and we should be good to go. So let's get started. We're gonna cut this shorty on the WoodMizer LX250 just because, well, why not? It's pretty easy. So stay tuned. Yeah, buddy, let's cut some wood.
I'd like to take this time to let you all know that we appreciate you watching our videos here on YouTube, and we hope that you learn something from each one that we post. We would also appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, and also hit that bell button so you can be notified of new videos that we post. Also, leave us a thumbs up so that we know you like the video.
And that right there is why you'd cut small logs on a WoodMizer LX250. If you got the small logs and you got the mill, you may as well cut them. That's a pretty bitchin' 4-inch thick walnut slab right there. Pretty sweet indeed. Let's flip that piece over and cut a couple more. I'd say that's just about as good a reason as any to use the WoodMizer LX250 to cut a smaller log. Those are some pretty nice walnut slabs right there, and you can see from the video that it really wasn't that hard to cut a small log on the WoodMizer LX250. Super simple. And I'd say my customer is going to be pleased with these walnut slabs.
Before we end this video, I'd like to say thanks again for tuning in and watching our videos here on YouTube. I hope that you've learned something. I hope that you enjoy watching the videos, and we appreciate all the support. Please do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button so you can get notifications when we release new videos, and give us a thumbs up. Let us know we're doing a good job. Leave us some comments in the comments below. Let us know, do you think that this is like bringing a sword to a knife fight, using this big wide 55-inch mill to cut a small log? Or should we just keep doing it? I mean, we do it because we're using what we got. Check out one of the next videos we have that's queued up in the boxes above. And we will check you out on the next one.